Yeah, it looks like you have princess unicorn sprinkles on your bird nest. What is that stuff?
Cake sprinkles, but this is the cake bird nest.
Yeah, we're pretending it's princess salt. Unicorn salt. Yeah.
It has a unicorn horn on top of it. That means it's unicorn salt.
Unicorn salt on the bird nest. It's a really good idea. Was this your idea?
Mm-hmm.
Great idea. Do you love it?
Yep.
Good.
Just wait a minute. Spilled a little. This one drop.
You're doing a really good job of decorating that bird's nest.
The crumbs, I have to eat crumbs. That's good wings.
Is it ready to eat now?
When I need one more scoop, it will be right here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
4-year-olds have the best ideas.
Yeah. Can I go to the pool?
Yeah, you can. You can go to the
Okay.
pool.
Okay.
Okay, love you. Bye.